In this video, you will learn how to use the JobSmart Data Visualization Tool on the job postings page of the ALICE website. This powerful tool allows you to explore job market trends and gain valuable insights into various industries and occupations. If you need extra time as you follow along, you can pause this video at any point. From the ALICE homepage, scroll down to the key labor market information section. Click the Alberta Job Postings link. This will bring you to the Job Postings page. On the Job Postings page, click the yellow JobSmart Data Visualization Tool. On a mobile device, click the yellow Graph button. Once you've accessed the Data Visualization Tool, you'll be presented with various options for exploring job market trends. These may include experience required, level of study, and approximate salary. Select the option you want to see from the drop-down menu. As you explore the data visualizations, you can interact with them to gain insights. For example, if we select jobs in the healthcare category, we can see there's a demand in high salary positions. We can also see most healthcare jobs require some post-secondary under the level of study graph. Use filters to narrow down your search by industry, occupation, region, or other criteria. Once you've analyzed job market trends, consider how this information can inform your career planning. Identify industries and occupations that align with your interests, skills, and goals. Use the data to make informed decisions about your career path, like pursuing additional education or training in a high-demand field. Congratulations, you've completed the tutorial on using the data visualization tool on the job postings page of the ALICE website. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, email us at alice.info@gov.ab.ca.